students, myself Sanmesh Karkigatti, lecturer in physics. In last chapter we studied about a motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line is nothing but a body moving in a one dimensional or a body moving in a only one direction. And in fourth chapter we studied about a motion in a plane. Plane is nothing but motion of the body in a two dimensional or a motion of the body in two direction, that is nothing but a plane. Example for the motion of the plane is a body moving in a circular path, means a body is moving in a two directions, that is nothing but example for motion of the plane. And the next one is scalar quantity and vector quantity. What do you mean by scalar quantity and vector quantities? Let us discuss one by one. First one is the scalar quantity. What is a scalar quantity? Scalar quantity is nothing but a quantity having only magnitude but not a direction. That is nothing but scalar quantity. Example for the scalar quantity is length, mass, temperature. These are the examples for scalar quantity. Means all are having only magnitudes but not a particular direction. That is nothing but a scalar quantities. Now come with the vector quantities. Vector is nothing but a physical quantity having a both direction and magnitude. That is nothing but vector quantities. In a scalar quantity having only magnitude but not a direction, but in vector quantities are having a both magnitude and direction. Such a quantity is nothing but a vector quantities. And example for the vector quantity is displacement, velocity, these are the examples for vector quantities. And the next one is a representation of vectors. These vectors are how it will represent, means by line segment PQ, and this arrow indicates direction of the vector, and this one is a tail vector, and this Q is head vector. This is the representation of vectors. Okay. Now come with the types of vectors. Let us discuss one by one. First one is equal vector. Equal vector means if two vectors are having a same magnitude and same direction, such a vector is nothing but equal vector. For example, vector A and vector B, both are having the same direction and both are having the same magnitude. Such a vector is nothing but equal vectors. And next one is negative vector. Negative vector means both the vectors are having the same magnitude but the direction of the vector is opposite. If I consider vector A and vector B, see this one is vector A and this one is a vector B. Okay. The magnitude of two vectors are same, but the direction of the vectors is opposite. Such a vector is nothing but a negative vector. Therefore, vector A is equal to minus of vector B. This is nothing but a negative vector. And next one is a unit vector. Unit vector is nothing but a vector having a unit magnitude. See, this is unit magnitude. Such a vector is nothing but unit vector. Next one is fourth one is coplanar vector. Means coplanar is nothing but both the vectors are. If I consider two vectors, vector A and vector B, both the vectors are lying in a same plane. Such a vector is nothing but a coplanar vector. Means these two vectors are lying in a same plane. Such a vector is nothing but a coplanar vector. And lastly, null vector. Null vector is nothing but a vector having a zero magnitude. Such a vector is nothing but null vector. Means if I consider a vector A, it having a zero magnitude. Such a vector is nothing but null vector. And this is the explanation of scalar quantities and vector quantities and types of vector quantities. Okay, thank you.